Everybody get on your feet right now. Get on your feet right now. Give it up for the new Mr. and Mrs. Mitch Kinman.
Hey, how you doing? My name is Kazdin King. I'm a complete DJ, and we just got finished rocking out a born. You have to excuse the sweatiness. But if you want me for your wedding or your party, hey, it's the best thing you can do. Check me out.
Mitch and Rachel, thank you for letting us be a part of your big day. May God's blessings come your way. No matter what you need, even money, don't hesitate to call us. We love you. Have a wonderful life together.
I like doing weddings events because at the end of the day, I just want to see everybody happy and having a great time.
Who fell in love first? Oh, that's so sweet.
You should book me to be your DJ because, hey, it's me, the king. I know my music, I'm fun, I can talk on the mic, and I'm not scared to do anything that you want me to do to make your day perfect.